Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Class 9, Subject Science, Board CBSE. Name of the lesson Motion. Topic Equations of Motion. Today we are going to learn about equations of motion. In last class we have studied about various physical quantities which describe the motion of an object. What are the physical quantities? Distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, etc. What is distance? The actual path length covered by a moving body is called distance. What is displacement? The shortest distance covered by a moving body is called displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Next, velocity. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Now we are going to derive three equations of motion. Now let us see. This is the first equation. V is equal to u plus at. For derivation, the moving object should be in a straight line with uniform acceleration. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is acceleration and t is time taken. This is the first equation. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus of at squared. Second equation of motion. Third equation, v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. Okay, these are the three equations of motion. Now we are going to derive one by one. Now this is the first equation. V is equal to u plus at. This equation is derived from acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity. So v minus u by t. Acceleration is represented as a. A is equal to v minus u by t. V is the final velocity. U initial velocity. Okay, now rearrange this. At is equal to v minus u, or v minus u is equal to at. Now v is equal to minus u will go that side, it will become plus, so u plus at. So this is the first equation of motion. Is it clear? So acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Final velocity v, initial velocity u. So v minus u by t. A into t is equal to v minus u. So v minus u is equal to at, v is equal to u plus at. Now let us move to the next equation. What is the second equation? S is equal to S is equal to ut plus of at squared. This is the second equation. Let's move on to the second equation. What's the second equation? S is equal to ut plus of at squared. This equation is derived from displacement. Okay, what is displacement? It is represented by the letter S. S is equal to average velocity into time. Average into time. What is the average velocity? How will we calculate? Two velocities are there. One is v, another one is u. So we have to find average velocity v plus u by 2. We have to take average. So v plus u by 2 into t. Okay, next we know already just now we derived the first equation. Since we know that v is equal to u plus at, now we have to substitute the value u plus at in the place of v. Okay, now in the place of v we have to substitute u plus at. So u plus at plus u divided by 2 into t. Is it clear? Next, how many? U plus u, 2u. So you have to write 2u plus at divided by 2 into t. You have to multiply by t. So 2ut plus at squared divided by 2. You have to split and write. So 2ut divided by 2 plus at squared divided by 2. 2 to cancel. Finally, you will get ut plus of at squared. That is the second equation. S is equal to ut plus of at squared. Okay. 2ut by 2 plus at squared by 2. 2 to cancel, then you will get ut. Ut plus of at squared. This is the second equation. Now we are going to derive the third equation. What is the third equation? V squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. Okay. V squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. This third equation is derived from second equation. What is the second equation? S is equal to ut plus of at squared. Okay, this is the second equation. We are going to derive third equation from the second equation. Now, all of you know about acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So, a is equal to v minus u by t. Next, you have to rearrange. T is equal to v minus u by a. Now, substitute this t value in the equation second. Okay, in the second equation, you have to substitute the t value. Then we can proceed. See, S is equal to u v minus u by a plus of a t squared. What is t? V minus u by a squared. Next, u into v, uv minus u squared divided by a plus of into a into v minus u squared divided by a squared. Now a cancel. Is equal to uv minus u squared by a plus 1 by 2a v minus u squared. Yeah, all of you know that a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, v minus u the whole squared is equal to v squared minus 2uv plus u squared. So, you have to substitute uv minus u squared by a plus 2a v squared minus 2uv plus u squared. Next step, 2a is common. So, 2 into uv minus 2u squared plus v squared minus 2uv plus u squared. Now 2uv minus 2uv cancelled. Here u squared minus 2u squared. So you will get minus u squared here. So v squared minus v squared minus u squared by 2a. So v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. This is the third equation of motion. Now we will recall. What is the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus of at squared. Third equation, v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. So first equation is derived from acceleration. Second equation is, this is the second equation, this is derived from second equation is derived from displacement, that is displacement is equal to average velocity into time. Then third equation is derived from second equation. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.